Hey everybody, it's Jamie with JayRFishing, and we are here at the Alabama Fishing Show. We will be asking the public today, what are some crazy baits used in catfishing? We always talk about matching the hatch and natural baits, but we want to find out what the public are using that aren't normal. So we are going to ask our fellow catfish anglers, what are some of the craziest baits they've heard people use? And what crazy baits they've used and had success. What is your name?
Bobby.
Bobby, what body of water do you fish?
The Coosa.
Now, what are some crazy baits that you've heard used to catch catfish?
Hot dogs, Vienna sausages, Twinkies. That's about it.
Now, do you use crazy baits to catch catfish?
Not generally. I use mostly shad and bluegill caught off of line and stuff like that.
So you match the hatch?
Pretty much.
Alrighty, well thank you very much.
All right, thank you.
Mike Powell.
And how long have you been catfishing?
Since I was 10 years old, and I'm 65.
Wow. What is the craziest bait you've used to catch catfish?
I've used everything from spring lizards to whole chickens.
Really?
Yeah.
What's your favorite?
My favorite is bluegill.
Okay.
You know, where I'm from on the Tennessee River, everybody likes skipjack for cut bait. I do all right with skipjack, but when I can catch some good fresh bluegill, I do a lot better with bluegill.
Alrighty. But
And I'll fillet them, put the chunks on a hook, or I'll butterfly them. Some days they like the butterflied.
okay.
Yeah. I've got a buddy that won't fish nothing but deer liver.
Interesting.
And he does pretty good. So
I've heard of somebody using a Twinkie.
yeah,
A Twinkie.
catfish got a lot in common with me.
Well, thank you very much.
Yes, thank you.
Tim Sexton.
And what bodies of water do you typically fish?
We fished Decatur Lake, Lake Wheeler, Gunnersville, Stevenson, that area.
Okay. And what are some crazy baits that you've heard catfishermen use to catch catfish?
I've seen chicken and soaked in strawberry Kool-Aid. I've seen that. I've seen them catch them on a lot of Kool-Aid stuff, hot dog Kool-Aid flavored. And they tried. I tried the Kool-Aid, and we caught a couple little dinks with it, but nothing special.
All righty. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
So after talking to our fellow catfish anglers at fishing shows, tournaments, and even our friends that fish for catfish, we have found that more anglers tend to use natural baits. They tend to use the bait fish that are found in the water in which they're catching catfish. Now, even though we hear about crazy baits being used, such as Twinkies, strawberry Kool-Aid chicken, and even deer liver, those baits do catch catfish, but more often than not, people are using the bait fish that are found in the water, the bait that catfish eat on a regular basis. for watching the video. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, subscribe for our weekly adventures. And if you want to watch our next video, it'll be listed here. We look forward to sharing all of our adventures with you and all of our little tips and tricks, so that way you have success on the water too. Be sure to check us out. Love you. Take care. God bless.